Yo, what's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play All the Way by BigXthaPlug featuring Zimmerman. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment if you want to refer to that. And now here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like.
Don't let me down easy, gonna leave me, baby, gonna leave me all the way. Don't ask for all your things back, cause it's not my name, yeah, just to go and take back what you say. Burn all the bridges, don't ask forgiveness, walk away like I'm someone you hate. Don't let me down easy, gonna leave me, baby, gonna leave me all the way.
Now, just as a FYI, I'm not teaching the riff that you hear in the song. I'm more so teaching just the rhythm of the song that you can play along to. So as y'all can see, you don't need a capo for this song. You need to know 4 chords, and those 4 chords are A major 7, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. All right, and here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is A major 7, so we're putting our fingers here on the first fret of the G string and the second fret of the D and the B string, and it's gonna sound like this. Next chord is C sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're still going to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our finger here on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is F sharp minor 7, so we're going to keep that same chord shape, but we're going to slide down here to the 2nd fret, and now we have the F sharp minor 7. So in that order, that is how the chord progression is going to go, but if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so really simple. Each chord gets a 4 count at that tempo. Now, as far as a strumming pattern that you can use, here's an example. So you can do down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. All right, so you can keep it really simple and just do that. But like I always say, if there is another way that you feel like you want to strum it that sounds good to you, by all means, you are the creator. You set the vibe, so go ahead and do that. But that's how you play the song. All right, y'all, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that this one helped you out. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer each question. While I have your attention, I'd like to invite you to follow my social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and give me a follow. I'll have those linked down in the pinned comment and description below. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like the content and you want more tutorials like this. And right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. I think you'll like this one as well, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see y'all in the next tutorial.